Hi everyone, good morning to one and all. Today we are going to start a very interesting chapter, that is chapter 3, fibers and the plastics. Before that children, I want to ask you, in our previous video we had seen the chapter 2, microorganism, friend and foe. That whole chapter is over, but only the one topic was raised, that is the nitrogen cycle. So before the starting the chapter 3, I want to finish this topic, nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle children, it is by the name it seems very difficult, but actually it is not tough. It is not quite tough. It is easy. So before I am going to start the nitrogen cycle, I want to explain it is into very simple words. What is a nitrogen cycle? As in our previous videos, I asked you the nitrogen that is found in the atmosphere, it is the fixed ratio is the 78%, and that 78% are fixed into whole the atmosphere. So due to the fix of this ratio, the holding the nitrogen cycle, but it is free found in the form, that form can't be get directly except by the plants. So that is why this cycle, this process held. This process changing the free nitrogen gas into the for the usable form for the plants. This cycle is called the nitrogen cycle. So nitrogen cycle I want to explain with one simple definition. Suppose it is tree, and this is the form of tree, and we also depend on the tree, and animals also depend on the tree. Why children? As you know, you had seen in your previous classes that we can't be able to prepare our own food. Why children? And animals also depend on the trees. Why? During the photosynthesis they only can prepare the food, and we depend on the trees for the food. So animal come and eat this tree, either the plant, and suppose they died, either the excrete of the animal, they mix into the soil, and in the environment, in the soil present the few bacteria, and that bacteria is called the fixing of the nitrogen, fixer of the nitrogen, and along with the nitrogen fixing bacteria also the present the blue, green algae also. So here animal come and they ate this plant, trees, and they suppose that, and their excrete they mix into the soil, there is the present the bacteria, they turn this nitrogen into the waste nitrogen, either the compound of the nitrogen. Again the soil present the bacteria, they turn that waste nitrogen into the gas of the nitrogen, and that again mix into the atmosphere. So this process is going, it is called the nitrogen cycle. So this was the intro of the nitrogen cycle. I am going to explain on the blackboard what is a nitrogen cycle. So let's see here, moving ahead we are going to see the nitrogen cycle. First, free nitrogen found in the environment is a form of the gas, that is the percentage. As you know, what is the percentage? Yes, 78%. It is fixed found in the atmosphere. While children, one problem that free nitrogen is a gas of the nitrogen. It can't be directly used by the animals, plants. So that is why few nitrogen fixing bacteria present in atmosphere turn either the change fix nitrogen, that pure nitrogen gas turn into the fixed nitrogen gas, and this fixed nitrogen again present the bacteria and they turn the fixed nitrogen, this fixed nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds. In this process further going on, now this compound in present in the soil, and again there is the present the bacteria. In chapter 2 microorganism I told bacteria is found everywhere. So it is present in the atmosphere, it is present into the soil, but it is the different type of the bacteria that turn the nitrogen into the fix of the nitrogen and the various compounds of the nitrogen. So now this compounds in soil present bacteria, it turn into nitrogen gas. Now again we get the nitrogen gas, and now this gas again go first into the environment. It may be it is go in mix into the atmosphere, either the environment, either uptake by the plants. So again this process, this cycle is rotate from as a circle. So it is called the nitrogen cycle. Now we are going to see the further chapter 3. Dear student, hello. Again we are going to start our chapter 3. It is very interesting chapter. It is not quite tough, children. It is very easy. So first we are going to see the chapter 3rd, that is the synthetic fibers and the plastics. Before I am going to start this chapter, I want to give you the introduction. What is the synthetic fiber? Synthetic fiber, before starting, I want to let me introduce. This is Sonia. I am going to explain. Here is the chapter 3rd. So synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber means this fiber are the prepared by the human being such as me, either the you, and it is the man-made fiber. It is not prepared in the naturally. It is prepared by the us, made by the human beings. That is the synthetic fiber. It is prepared into the laboratory. It is prepared into the factories with the help of the chemicals. It is called the synthetic either the artificial fiber. Now let's we proceed. What is the chapter? Synthetic fibers and the plastic. It is you are watching into this picture. First I want to focus the synthetic fiber. What is the synthetic fiber? So today we are going to see, this is the topics. First the introduction. As I told you, what is the synthetic fiber? It is synthetic fiber. It is means man-made, either the human being made, it is the artificial, it is made by the human into the laboratory, and that is called the synthetic fiber. Our clothes, it is the also the example of the synthetic fiber. Your school's uniform, whatever we wear, our dress, clothes we use, that is the synthetic fiber. Now further we are proceeding. The introduction, as I told, what are the synthetic fibers I told. Now further moving ahead, we see the synthetic fibers types. It have the two types of the fibers, especially natural fibers and the synthetic fibers. What is the definition of the natural fibers? Natural fibers, it means we get we obtained by the nature. That is, by the nature, it means by the trees. It is the natural fiber we obtained by the nature. It is called the natural fiber. Second kind is the synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber, it means the man-made fiber we prepared into the laboratory. It is called the synthetic fiber, either the artificial fiber. Now let's moving ahead. After the types of the fiber, we see the types of fiber. Its example I want to give the what is the synthetic fibers example, such as the polyester, such as the rayon, such as the nylon and acetate and acrylic, spandex. Natural fiber we talk silk, cotton, wool, mohair, Kashmiri and Angora. It is the example of the synthetic and the natural fiber. Now further, after the types of the fiber, we are going to see especially what is the synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber is a tool or fibers made by the humans through the chemical synthesis. Chemical synthesis, it means in the laboratory, as opposed on the natural fibers that are directly derived from living organism. They are searched by the scientists to improve upon naturally occurring animals and the plant fibers. Now further, it is the picture. Can you guess what is? It is the synthetic fiber. It is shown various type of the fibers, either the sarees, cloth, that is synthetic fiber. Now further, it is the picture seen here is the necklace. At a glance we see it is a necklace. This is also a necklace that wear by the especially the girls, either the women's. So here children, generally we talk about the necklace. It have the small type of the this beads. It is called also the pearl. So here we talk this necklace, either the bits of the, it is the peppers. So this one only unit, it is called the mono and mere. Mono means one, mere means unit. Once it is completed all the units, it is called the polymer. Polymer, mer means unit, poly means many. So this necklace is completed with the various units, means poly units, means polymer. It is also the bits of the paper. It is also shown one there is the piece, that is monomer, and various are the joint. Here it is called the polymer. So it is the example of the one is the monomer, and once it is completed all the cycle, either the this necklace, it is the polymer. It is the example of also the fiber. Now further we are going to see proceeding next our topic we complete into our next video. So this is the time for the thanks. Till that, goodbye.